Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for gold for Thursday, October the 7th, 2010. Well, an outside day, and even though we have this fairly large red body candle that's positioned below the body of the previous candle, we don't have a change of trend at the moment. Previously we had the market making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Today we had a candle that made a higher high but a lower low. To have a change of trend, we would need a lower high and a lower low, so no change of trend. But technically, because we have an outside day, we had the bulls strong enough to take out the high of the previous candle, but the bears strong enough to take out the low of the previous candle. We actually have a lot of indecision in the market and a very big volatile battle between the bulls and the bears, with neither side really winning in terms of the position of the highs and the lows. With regard to the red-bodied candle, however, we do have the first fairly large red-bodied candle that we've seen for quite some time, and that could be significant for this market. The sellers have made some net bearish progress on the day and a relatively large amount, so that could be quite significant. We've also had the sellers closing down below the previous close, so that's telling us that the sellers have shown some keenness to taking this market lower as well. Now, to the upside, we have this very large shadow on the top of the body of the candle, and that represents selling coming in as the market tested the area above 1360, which now is an important area of resistance for this market. But by the same token, we had a slightly smaller shadow on the bottom of the candle represent some buying coming in. So even though the sellers lost commitment as they were, the buyers lost commitment as they were trading up around 1360, the sellers also lost some commitment as they were testing the area down roughly around the 1320 area again, which coincidentally coincides with the sounds funny saying that, but coincides with the area where the Tenkan-sen is now trading. And we know that the Tenkan-sen, in a very, very fast-moving market when there's a lot of momentum, will offer the initial area of support for this market. So it should do that again in the next day's trading. So the low of the current candle becomes important for any potential lower high and lower low and change of trend, which we haven't seen for quite some time. And also the Tenkan-sen will be very important, the interaction of the market with that area. If we do see buying coming in, then there may be another buying opportunity in this market. If the market does trade down through there, then we do have support offered at the Kijun-sen, which is at 1300, so that round number. And we can see that we had some previous upside price rejection around there as well. Down below there, important area around 1280, all the way down to the cloud. Now, the market is still bullish in all three time frames. The market is trading up above the cloud, but a long way up above the cloud, so it wouldn't be surprised to see the market retrace some of this very strong first time frame uptrend that the market's been in. The market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so the market's bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames as well. So for the next trading day, obviously 1360 is important, but certainly the area down around the low, and the low was at 1325 roughly, so that's important for any test of potential support down around 1320 and 1300.